I've spent most of my life simplifying for others what they often find complicated. Whether it was interpreting American culture for my Greek family or distilling strategic planning and program evaluation for members as a liaison for several national trade associations between them and the federal government, I've just always found so much joy in helping others achieve clarity, having those aha moments. They say knowledge is power after all, and it really is. Somehow I've learned how to help others become empowered and therefore achieve success in their lives. That's a tremendous privilege for me, but also a great responsibility. Therefore, as a realtor, I'm passionate about my role as a coach. I serve as a sounding board for clients so they can think through the pros and cons of their options. I listen to their concerns and then provide information and scenarios that they need so that they can think through the impact of their decisions, because after all, this is a huge investment. Whether people are buying or selling, it doesn't matter. Real estate is always full of uncertainties and complexities. That's why I work so that every client has as much transparency as possible throughout the entire transaction. I'm here to ease clients' anxieties, help give them perspective, come up with solutions, and encourage them to have confidence in their choices. We work together to clear roadblocks, overcome hurdles, and celebrate even the smallest of victories. And my business reputation is everything. My high level of service over my 20 years as a realtor has led to a 90% repeat and referral rate.
What I love about John is that he really got to know my husband and I and my entire family. So he was able to really look at properties that were going to be the perfect match for our wants and needs for our forever home. He is one of those people who is engaging, is charismatic, but most of all is very authentic.
My husband has and continues to provide me with a strong foundation in life. For over 25 years, his unwavering support, challenging perspective, and unconditional love have helped me achieve an ever-growing level of personal happiness, as well as professional success, for which I am grateful every day. Your life is changing. I can help. I'm John Mentis with Long & Foster. I empower people.